minute we're going up a big drop.
Let's start walking speed.
That's a bit of a wet up.
Hey! I am on what could possibly be called the world's smallest log flume. Like actual proper log flume, not one of them weird kiddie canoe things. As you can see, it's extremely secure in this ride area. And the water is a suspicious colour. I may get malaria from this ride, you never know. Oh god, this is a disturbingly steep lift hill. Oh god, I dropped my bag. It's all going wrong. Oh, I'm getting water on my bum. I'm getting water on my bum. Oh god. Ah! Ah! Oh! Great. I'm now really moist. Oh.